Hello, I wanted to provide a quick overview of workflows once you've installed the offline editing demo that we provide. You'll actually see the icon as you just saw there come up. You'll tap that and then the application will load. You'll just OK the geolocation piece. Now, just some background on the application itself. It's a cross-platform application, so it will run on iPads as you're looking at here. It will also run on Android tablets as well. It actually displays web maps which have been published out to ArcGIS Online. So in this case you're looking at a single web map which has multiple editable layers overlaid. In this case it's points, lines and polygons, and the application itself supports editing of each of those three feature types. You'll also see as we walk through this demo that you're able to attach images to these features. It's a highly configurable app, so we can actually, clients that buy the application are actually able to change the look and feel of the application, the title, the logo, any links that are associated with it, and a number of other things. Lastly, it's very extensible. We provide a base version of this application to clients, but if there are additional needs which are above and beyond what the application provides at a base level, this is a very easy application to extend. So just to walk through the interface, as I mentioned, it's loading a web map that's published in our ArcGIS Online account. These are hosted feature services that you're looking at here, the editable layers that are overlaid on top of that base map. In the top right hand side you've got three buttons. You've got a layers button, we'll tap that, and it gives you a typical layer of table of contents which allows you to turn layers on and off. The tools option we'll tap. That actually gives us full extent and geolocate, so you can actually zoom to your current location by hitting the geolocate button. And then lastly, which is the focal point of the application, is the editing option. And you'll see a list of feature types there which can be edited. Now what we're going to do in this demo is simply show the offline functionality. This application works in online mode as we are now. So it works directly against ArcGIS Online. It also works locally, so it works against the file system on the mobile device. So let's go ahead and go into offline mode. So we can hit the layers button. At the top of the right hand pane you'll see an online/offline option. We'll tap that and you'll get the option there to load offline or online maps. We're going to load offline maps. Now what's happening when you tap that button is the application actually is reading and writing to the device itself. So you saw that was pretty quick. What we've got there now is a TPK or a tile package, which is that base map, and in this case it's a pretty simple one. It's roads and mile post markers, and then you've got those same features that we saw before, the points, lines and polygons, which have actually now been serialized or copied to the device itself. So let's go ahead and do some editing on this. We're going to hit the edit button. First thing we're going to do is just add an attachment to one of the existing features. Well, I'm going to tap one of the points with my finger, which you can't see, but you'll see in a moment an attribute window which will come up. I tapped it hard enough, there we go. So there's the attributes window for that particular feature, so we can see a mix of date information and input information as well. Across the top we've got four buttons. We've got the OK button, which will accept anything that you've done, any new edits, any attribute additions. If you hit the delete button, that'll obviously delete that feature. The geolocate to the extreme right will move that point feature and only point features, not polygons or lines, to your current location. And then the attachment option will open the camera. Let's go ahead and just hit the attachment option. Now that gives us this pop-up which gives us the ability to open the camera. So we'll tap the open camera and that will actually open the camera on the device. We're looking obviously straight ahead, so it's looking at the base of my computer. We'll actually take that picture and we'll use that picture. Now what you'll see is an image loading option here. So we'll the actual iPad is processing that image, and there it is displayed in the window. We want to attach that to the feature, so we're going to hit attach, and that will say the image is attached. We only want one photo attached, so we're just going to hit close. So now you've gone back to that attributes window, and we're going to simply OK that. Alright, so we've edited an existing feature. Let's go ahead and add a new feature. We're going to tap the culvert's inventory points and we're just going to place that on the map. Again, the pop-up attributes inspector comes up. We're just going to change one of the dates in there. Let's change the installation date to the first, add a first as the installation date, and let's OK that. So there's a new feature. We'll also put a line feature in there, and we've got the ability to hit drop downs here as well. So I'll tap the record status, I'll make that work in progress, and we'll OK that. The last one is we'll just add a polygon. Again, what we'll do in this case is we'll just add an attachment. So we're going to the camera, walk through the same sequence as we saw before, the existing feature that we added, that we edited first of all. Again, image loading, we're going to attach that, and then we're going to close that. Okay, so we've made 4 edits. We've added 3 new features and we've edited an existing feature. Let's now go ahead and tap the layers button, again the online offline button, and now we're going to load the online maps. This will actually go out. This will go out to ArcGIS Online, and it will then load those web maps, or that web map again from ArcGIS Online. Now you'll notice there's a pop-up just come up. Edits files found. That means we've got edits that need to be pushed to the server. We've got the option to say yes, which actually the pop-up encourages you to do. There's actually a reset button there. Part of testing was we set a reset button to reset the whole application. This isn't part of the final product. We're going to hit yes. What's happening in the background is we're now pushing that information to ArcGIS Online, and there you see we've got those 3 new features and we've got the edited existing features. So let's go ahead and look at those. We're going to, let's just close the edit window. Okay, let's look at that feature that we edited. And there's that attached image that we added. We'll just check the other point, the point line and polygon features as well. We didn't attach anything to the point feature. We did add a date to it, so there's that date information. The line, just look at that. Sometimes the line features, if they're set too narrow and ArcGIS Online are harder to hit. This one's proven to be that. There we go. There's that record status, which was from the drop down, work in progress. And then let's just finally check that polygon, and there should be an attachment there. So there you have offline editing, which when you go back online is then pushed up to ArcGIS Online, and you've now got that data stored on the server. So try the demo out, let us know your feedback, and we'll be interested to continue this conversation with you. Thanks for watching.